making plans. I took you, beg your pardon. I took a photograph of you in the herbaceous border. It broke the heart of men and flowers and girls and trees. Another rainy day, we're trapped inside with the train set. Chocolate on the bar, steamy windows when we met. You got the attic window looking out on the cathedral. And on a Sunday evening, bells ring out in the dusk. Now everybody's gone. You pick me up for a long drive. We take the tourist route. The nights are light until midnight. We took the evening ferry over to the peninsula. We found the avenue of trees, went up to the hill. That crazy avenue of trees, I'm living there still. So beguiling, sacrifice his life to bring us both eye to eye. I heard the Eskimos remove obstructions with tongue steel. You missed my eye, I wonder why I didn't complain. You missed my eye, I wonder why. Please do it again. The loving is a mess. What happened to all of the feeling? I thought it was for real. Babies, rings and fools kneeling. And words of pledging trust and lifetime stretching forever. So what went wrong? It was a lie. It crumbled apart. Goes figures of past, present, future, haunting the heart.